Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kritika and I'm a certified cosmetologist and I make beauty related videos here on YouTube. So as you must have seen from the title that today's video is all about K Beauty's newest launch, which is their EyeKanvas eyeshadow palette, and I have a PR box from them right here with me. And today I'll be unboxing this box in front of you and I'll be showing you what I got inside this package. Also, I'll be showing you how I did this eye makeup using these palettes. So stay tuned if you are interested to know more about these palettes and if you want to know how I achieved this eye makeup using these palettes. Before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in beauty and makeup related videos. Okay, so first I'm gonna unbox this PR package from K Beauty and I'm gonna show you what I have got inside this box. So they have sent me 2 of their palettes. They have launched 4 palettes and I got 2 of them with me. So the first one is Pure Bloom and the second one is Bare Soul. I'm gonna talk about the packaging. It is so beautiful. The artwork is so beautiful. I really love the artwork of these palettes. So there's an artist called Gauravi Sharma and she created this artwork for the K Beauty palettes, which is so beautiful. I absolutely love the colorful packaging. It is really beautiful. So the palette comes in a box container. It's a cardboard container and it has all the details on the back of the packaging as well. So inside this they have the palette. So it comes in a packaging like this, and if we remove this we have the palette finally. So the palette is in a square form, which I really love. It is really easy to carry and you can travel with it. First of all, I'm super happy that Indian brands are finally coming up with top-notch products. I was waiting for an Indian brand to launch a good eyeshadow and I'm so happy that K Beauty have launched top-notch eyeshadows finally, that too in 4 shades, which is amazing. So they launched their eyeshadows in 4 variants. So the first variant is Bare Soul, which I have right here with me. This is Bare Soul and this has nude and smoky colors. Next I have Pure Bloom with me, which have peachy floral hues, and the other 2 are Wild and Free, which have warm tones, and Self Love, which has wine and pink colors in it. So in the PR package I got 2 palettes with me, which is Pure Bloom and Bare Soul. So coming back to the packaging, and now if we open the palette, it has a film in it which covers and which protects all the shades. So I'm going to remove that. And if we open the palette, it has a mirror in it, and it is really good that it has a mirror in it, because if we travel with the palette, it is easy for us to create a look because we already have a mirror in the palette. So it is really convenient for us to use the palette. So the palette have 9 shades in total, which is great, out of which 7 are mattes and 2 are shimmer shades. Also, talking about this palette Bare Soul, I totally love if a palette have a dark intense black, and it has that color. I have used that today. I always like to have a dark pigmented black shade in a palette. So this palette have a mix of all the shades that a certain person like me will need. It has all the nude shades, it has a gold, it has a copper shade, it has black, browns. So it is a great palette if you want to go somewhere and you need a eyeshadow palette, then I think this is it. Now I'm gonna quickly show you the other palette, which is Pure Bloom. Again, this is in a cardboard packaging and then it comes like this. Again, a cardboard package, and the artwork is totally gorgeous. I'm in love with all the artwork. So again, if we open up this, it has a film which covers the shades and it protects it, and it has all the peachy tones and gold tones. It's a really beautiful summery palette. You can do neutral looks with it, you can do glam looks with it, you can do anything you want to with this single palette. And I'm gonna create so many looks. Just wait for the looks which I'm gonna create using these palettes on my Instagram. So this palette have 4 shades in shimmers and 5 of them are matte. Now let's talk about the features of this palette and then we will move on to the demo. So this has macadamia nut oil. It is a lightweight oil that is well absorbed, making sure that skin doesn't feel greasy. It is very moisturizing, regenerating and softening on the skin, which is true. When I did this eye look, it was very buttery soft. It has aloe vera oil in it, which forms a firm hydrated canvas for eyeshadow application, and it locks in the moisture. Again, this is true because I do not feel any kind of dryness on my eyes, which is good because it has macadamia nut oil and aloe vera oil. Also, while applying the eyeshadow, I did not feel any kind of flakiness or dryness. So these palettes give one stroke application and it is very pigmented. The formula is not drying or patchy. I am working with eyeshadows from so long, you know that, and I can tell that this is a top-notch palette. The formula is very good. Also, they claim that this is transfer proof and smudge proof, which I don't agree with because it is not possible that eyeshadow is smudge proof or something, because if it is smudge proof then you will not be able to blend it. I hope you are getting what I mean. Other than that, it is cruelty free, paraben free, paraffin free, mineral oil free, and it is dermatological tested. Also, these palettes retail for 1200 per palette, and I don't think it is a high price point because the quality, the quantity and everything is top notch, and I won't mind paying 1200 for a palette like this. Because as you see that in India we don't have many Indian brands with such good quality eyeshadow, and I'm really impressed with K Beauty that they have come up with such great formula eyeshadow. So yeah, now let's see how the palettes work on the eyes. Like you are seeing the end result, but you should see how these palettes work. So if you want to see the demo of this eye look, then please keep on watching. So first I'll be taking this black shade from the Bare Soul palette and the shade name is Charcoal, and I'll be putting this on the outer corner of my eye. Now to blend this out, I'm taking the shade Chocolate from the Bare Soul palette and I am just blending the black and I'm taking it inwards in my crease. To blend further, I'm taking the shade Brick from the Pure Bloom palette. Now to blend everything out, I'm taking the shade Spice from the Pure Bloom palette. So the matte shades of the K Beauty palettes are really blendable and pigmented as well. Now I'm cutting my crease using a concealer. For my inner lid, I'm taking the shade Salmon from the Pure Bloom palette and it is a rose gold shimmery shade. For my mid lid, I'm taking the shade Champagne from Bare Soul palette. As you can see, the shimmer shades are very pigmented as well. Now I'm connecting the outer corner and the mid lid of my eye using the shade Spice and I'm just blending it inwards. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same shades which I have used for my outer corner and my transition area. And I have finished the look with some lashes and some highlighter. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed watching the demo and I hope that you liked it. So far I am loving the palettes, but I am gonna create more looks and I'm gonna use each and every shade of these palettes. So if you're interested in that, then do follow me on Instagram because I'll be putting eye makeup tutorials using these palettes on my Instagram only. So yeah, now it's time to end the video and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Also, I have linked this palette in the description box below, so you can check out this palette from the link in the description box. Also, if you want to know about my lipstick, my makeup, my top or anything, then those details will also be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.